What's up guys? What's up NBA fans? Isang nakakalungkot na balita para sa Los Angeles Lakers. Grabe. Dinurog po ng Oklahoma City Thunder ang Los Angeles Lakers sa katatapos lang na Game 3. Ngayon lang 131-108. Grabe. Isang panalo na lang ng OKC Thunder at wawalisin na nila ang Los Angeles Lakers. Wala kang masabi sa OKC guys. Malakas talaga sila. Malakas. Yun lang. Quick reaction guys. I need to digest myself guys. It's... Wala eh. Lamang pang Lakers first half. By end of second quarter, 59-57. But that's it. That's sport guys. That is sport. 131-108. Panalo ang Oklahoma City Thunder. Isang panalo na lang. Walis na. Wawalisin na nila ang Los Angeles Lakers. Yun lang guys. See you on next game.